Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change Roblox country or location. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Roblox application on your device. And then just click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then scroll down until you see the settings. So you'll then just have to click on that and then click on account information. Okay, then wait for a few seconds and then you would be able to see this. But unfortunately, you cannot see the change location option here because Roblox has removed that feature. But this is how it looks like before, okay, before they remove that feature. Okay, so this one, you could be able to change your location. So if you haven't, updated your Roblox yet, so don't do that, so you could be able to change your location. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.